MQTT self-built base station tutorial. Step 1. Solder the pin header to the RTK module. Step 2. Follow the steps below to restore the current RTK module to factory settings. Step 3. Insert the RTK module into the 4G evaluation board. Step 4. Insert the SIM card into the 4G evaluation board. Step 5. Turn the switch to UART. Step 6. Connect the antenna. Step 7. Use Type-C to connect the device to the computer. Step 8. Open the WITMOTION software. Step 9. Configure the base station. Configure MQTT and remember the IMEI of the base station. Open the serial port debugging assistant. Send demand to configure the base station. Supply 5 volts power to the device. Step 10. Configuring mobile stations. Configure MQTT and fill in the IMEI of the base station in the subscription ID. Step 11. Open uPrices software to view positioning information.